Okay, so I'm out here in overalls today. For those of you that subscribe to Down at the Barns, and you can do that at the bottom if you wish, we recently done an episode on E10 fuels, and we went through the likely consequences of that for older vehicles, classic vehicles of whatever age. And the conclusion out of that was that no, you shouldn't be using it on a regular basis, but it can cause issues in the long term. What happened with this, if you saw the last episode, is that I unfortunately didn't realise that E10 was in some of the filling stations, and I filled this Triumph Stag up with E10 fuel. The aim was to let the vehicle run down the petrol, and then I was just going to fill that up, and it was a nice day Sunday, and I thought I'll go out and do that. In doing that, I always put the car down the drive, I come back, I shut the garage door, and I glance underneath. No oil, no water, no petrol leaking. It's an old car, and I could see fluid coming from the bottom. On pulling the car forward a little bit and wiping my hand over the fluid, I realised it was petrol. And I could see petrol coming out from it was actually coming from a joint up near the engine and then running back down the pipe and then dripping underneath the vehicle. So I guess this is just a warning that given how dangerous that is, given that it's running underneath near the exhaust, you know, I could have lost this beautiful car. And I'm not saying it's E10, but what I am saying is be careful, because probably there was a weakness there in one of the pipes, and it's coming from a flexible pipe where the pipe comes down and then connects to the metal pipe that goes underneath the vehicle. There was probably a weakness there, and it's exposed that almost instantly, and that's with just leaving the fuel in the line for 2 weeks.
Thank you for watching Down at the Barns. Please subscribe to our channel in the link below. And if you have a classic car with a story to tell, please get in touch. Then maybe we can feature your car in a future episode. You can catch up with all the previous episodes of Down at the Barns simply by clicking on the link.